Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to the next Femitech video tutorial. Now for this episode, just showing you some good backyard garden plants, some simple vegetables, and of course seasoning herbs that you can plant in your backyard garden. Now with these guys, they don't require any form of professional care. Just simple do the simple things, the basic things. Right, so here you go, guys. So of course, this is what we call Kalalu. So in terms of the Kalalu, you just simple ensure that you what is called mold the root of it. Then beside the Kalalu, we have what is called string bean. So I'm a really fan of vegetable. So here we have another lovely Kalalu plant there. Now, as you realize, this is actually some old Kalalu that would have seed up. So basically, guys, you don't want to throw away these. It is best for you to actually just throw them right back into your garden. So what will happen is that once these seeds are dry, then they will actually germinate. So you don't throw away these old Kalalu. The next thing is that once you have several plants in terms of Kalalu, you need to ensure that one or two of those plants you allow them to seed up so you can get the seed to replant. So here we go again, guys. We have corn, lovely sweet corn here. So as I said, guys, I'm a fan of vegetable. Here we have the scallion, really nice, fresh and green. Beside the scallion there we have the cucumber, and beside the cucumber we have what is called thyme. So at the time, of course, I would have purchased this at the supermarket. You just need to ensure that you purchase one that is green, and you just simply replant it, stick it into the earth and plant it. Same thing I would have done for the scallion there. Here we have cucumber. Right, so lovely cucumber plant right there. So we have some Kalalu again, of course, scallion, string bean and cucumber, Kalalu. Come again around the back here we have thyme, corn, and of course this is a lovely planting tree. So yes, guys, this is a lovely planting plant there, as you can see, fresh and green. That is simply because I ensure that there's no grass around the root to actually take up or take away the nutrients that the planting need. Really fresh, green and nice. So once again, guys, as I said, this is just simple tips for your backyard garden in terms of some simple plants that you can actually plant in your backyard. Simple vegetables, seasons, and all of that does not require any professional training in terms of you planting them and taking care of them so that you can get your vegetables. So once again, guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button. Again, leave your comments in the comment section of the video, and of course share the video. So once again, guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.